Hello everyone. In the previous chapter, we have learned about natural component water, and now we are going to learn about land. So, what is land made up of? It is made up of big stones, soil, big rocks, etc. It is never flat. All terrestrial animals, man, live on land. Now there are also big burrows, means the land is used by many animals which live under the ground also. Land is used for farming, building houses and roads. Plants and animals also grow on this land. We get minerals, crude oil, natural gas from the earth. And hence we say land is very important resource. The process of soil formation. The soil on the land is formed by natural process. The abiotic components of soil are supplied through the weathering of bedrock. Heat, cold, water, wind from the wind and rain respectively break the stone into pieces, and hence the weathering of the rocks and the big stones form small pieces which gets converted into soil formation. This is a very slow and continuous formation. 2.5 centimeter thick of layer of mature soil takes 1,000 years. Soil gets destroyed in a very short period of time due to flood, storms, human activities like mining. Hence, it is very necessary and important to conserve soil, which is only possible when we increase the green cover on the land of the land by growing grass, trees, and bushes on it. Humus is the layer formed on soil due to decomposition of dead plants and animals. It is important for aerating the soil and holding the water in the soil. The proportion of humus should be 33 to 50% to make it a good fertile soil. Living things use land, water, and air available on the earth, and so does man. These resources are very important. Now look at the table. The land is 29%, fresh water is only 0.3%, and oxygen is 21%. However, we human beings and animals are more compared to these resources. Hence, we need to conserve these resources. I hope you liked this video. This was the end of the first chapter in almost 4 parts, and hope you all liked the video, find it very easy to learn, understand, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.